Hi, thanks for checking out Master Guitar Frets. My name is Jörg. In this video, I will give you my choice for the 5 best YouTube guitar channels for beginners. There's so many great creators out there with fantastic content. There's so many great lessons on YouTube for the beginner. This can be confusing for the new guitarists. And the question pops up, where do I begin? For this reason, I have started a new project called YouTube Guitar School. How does it work and what is so different about it? I will put together custom tailored lessons of some of my favorite creators' content. You as a beginner will no longer have to search for lessons. My lessons will direct you to various content on YouTube. You can focus on practicing lesson by lesson. Your learning will be more organized as you spend less time searching for lessons online. Have a look at lesson 1. There's a link in the description below, and a link will appear at the end of this video. But now, let's go and check out my favorite creators. Here we go. I will list the channels based on subscribers, but I do like them all equally. On top is Marty's Music with 1.3 million subscribers. That is pretty decent. Let's go check him out. Marty's Music features many videos for beginner, intermediate, and advanced players. He also has many playlists where videos are organized. Some of the beginner's lessons I have found in the Easy Acoustic playlist, and we'll be focusing on some of those videos for the next few lessons. Then we have Andy Guitar with 950,000 subscribers right here. Let's go check him out. Andy Guitar is another great resource on YouTube with incredible amounts of videos for everybody, whether beginner, intermediate, or advanced. Lots of stuff to learn here. I frequent this site quite often in search of learning a new tune for the band. Beginner stuff is here, nicely organized. So we'll be looking into Andy's site and draw out some pretty cool videos for our lessons. Not far behind, we have Justin Guitar with 936,000 subscribers. So Justin Guitar seems to be the place to go for aspiring beginner guitarists, and of course also for anybody else that is looking for learning resources in regards to guitar playing, whether intermediate or advanced. There's lots of cool stuff here for sure. Tons of videos and playlists. The beginner stuff is embedded in the Justin Guitar beginners course. You can see that there's lots of stuff here, and we'll be using many of these videos in our lessons. Then we have Guitareo with 488,000 subscribers. Guitareo, another great resource on YouTube with plenty of stuff to learn. Lots of stuff here for the beginner. We have beginner rhythm, we have beginner guitar lessons, we have beginner lead guitar lessons. So there's all kinds of cool stuff. And again, it's for everybody. We'll be using this site quite a bit to incorporate into our lessons. My 5th choice is Mark the Guitar Guy with 93,000 subscribers. Let's go check him out. Mark the Guitar Guy also features copious amounts of videos organized into playlists for just about every level of guitar player. There's certainly something to learn here for everyone. A beginner's guide and beginner's guitar chords and learn play the guitar in 30 days is what's there for beginners, and we'll be using some of Mark's stuff in our upcoming lessons. So I feature 5 of my favorite sites on YouTube. That doesn't mean that there aren't other great sites out there. that we will tap into in the near future. These are my choices for the 5 best YouTube channels for beginners. They have all great content, and you will most likely see some of these guys appear in my YouTube guitar school lessons. So lesson number 1 is now available. If you want to check it out, click down here and off you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.